In this lecture, I am going to explain how to describe a photo or a picture. This is very easy one because we have 4 or 5 fixed sentences, and just in 2 sentences we can cover many things. Okay, and for those 2 sentences you have to figure out what is there in the picture: a person, product, uh, animal, what those people are. If there are let's say 2 3 people, then what they are doing. Then if a person is there, then what that person is doing, what is in the background: trees, mountain, grass, some kind of whatever is there in the picture. Okay, that depends on the picture itself. Rest everything is same. No hesitation, pause, self correction, and go for my templates. They are good only. Okay, let's see the templates. Let's say if you're getting this picture, then what is the first one? The picture shows a mesmerizing view of a beach. I will say beach. It is difficult to tell where this picture was taken as there is no signboard in the background. Yes, I don't know where this picture was taken, so I'll say like that. Also, it is not clear who took the picture. Maybe a reporter covering news for his or her channel, or maybe a tourist visiting that area. That's all. The person who clicked the image seems to be a professional, as the picture quality is very good. In the foreground, we can see like some trees, some trees, water, and while in the background we can see mountains, cloud, buildings. On the left side we can see some high-rise buildings, whereas on the right side we can see water. That's all, guys. This is how we have to describe. Now I'll uh, speak everything. I will use all these templates in one shot. Okay, so let me start my timer. So start. The picture shows a mesmerizing view of a beach. It is difficult to tell where this picture was taken as there is no signboard in the background. Also, it is not clear who took the picture. Maybe a tourist covering news for his or her channel, or maybe a tourist visiting that place. The person who clicked the picture seems to be a professional photographer as the picture quality is very good. In the picture, we can see some boats. In the picture, we can see people enjoying on the beach. We can see some water. In the background, we can see mountains, clouds, and on the right side of the picture, whereas in the background we can see high-rise buildings, and on the right side we can only see sea, or we can only see water. That's all, guys. 36 seconds. Okay, next one. What is there in the picture? Kid is there, infant is there. Okay, then he or she in his or her cradle. Fine. Where this picture is clicked, maybe at home. Okay, someone's home, we don't know where. Who clicked the picture? Maybe his parents, his or her parents. Fine. Baby, I will say baby in the cradle. Fine. And I can see some ties. Rest was a pillow. I can see some sofa set. I can see a Christmas tree. That's all done. I'm done with my brainstorming. So I'll start now. The picture shows a mesmerizing view of a baby sitting in a cradle. It is difficult to tell where this picture was taken as there is no signboard in the background. Also, it is not clear who took the picture. Maybe his parents took the picture. It looks like the picture was taken inside home. The parents who clicked the picture seems to be professional one as the picture quality is very good. In the picture, we can see a chair, we can see some toys, we can see a baby sitting in the cradle, we can see a couch or sofa set, we can see a Christmas tree, and it seems like the baby plays with the many things in the home as there are many ties in the picture. 39 seconds. Okay, next one. So here I start my timer. This time I will analyze also, and then I will speak. Okay. Uh, they are celebrating, yes, some occasion, maybe birthday. Old couple, but the person is wearing a sweater. Maybe it is cold, and they are looking English couple. Fine. A wine glass is there. A candle is there. That's all, guys. Where this is clicked? No. 25 seconds over. Now I'm going to record. Start. The picture shows a mesmerizing view of a couple enjoying their day out or enjoying their birthday celebration. It is difficult to tell where this picture was taken as there is no signboard in the background, but I think it was taken in England. Also, it is not clear who took the picture. Maybe one of their relatives or friends, or maybe one of their children. The person who clicked the picture seems to be a professional photographer as the picture quality is very good. In the picture, we can see The old woman is smiling at something as the person is cutting the cake or doing something. We can see a candle, we can see some wine glasses, and in the background we can see some trees, there are some windows. That's all guys, 42 seconds. I fumbled for I think in between, I don't know when. You know why that happened? uh, I wanted to say that the picture was taken at home, means they are not in a restaurant, they are not in they are not somewhere else, they are in their home. I wanted to say that, but I used the template, so there was this fumble. Okay, then guys, what is this picture? So I'll again do it in real time. So one woman is like holding maybe a file organizer, maybe her documents, I don't know. Then the person is shaking hand, is wearing, let's say, blue color shirt. The other woman is smiling, so maybe someone has cracked a joke. It looks like the weather is clear, sunny, hot day. That's all. 25 seconds are over. So let's start. The picture shows a mesmerizing view of a person shaking hand with a woman. It is difficult to tell where this picture was taken as there is no signboard in the background. Also, it is not possible for us to tell who clicked the picture, maybe one of their friends. And he or she seems to be a professional photographer as the picture quality is very good. The person is wearing a blue color shirt and he is shaking hand with the woman who is wearing sky blue color shirt. And it is difficult to tell like what they are discussing or what they are saying, and it looks like one of them maybe has cracked a joke and that's why everyone is smiling. The day is very clear, it is hot and sunny, that's why they are wearing shirts and t-shirts. That's all guys. So these templates were very easy. So far I have covered bar chart, pie chart, then line graph, table, and then in the last lecture I covered flow chart. Now I'm done with picture. Now the last one is what is your architecture plan and map. Okay, so well, the two different are there, but I'm going to cover in one lecture itself, so that lecture is going to be a bit long. So practice you few images, and after that immediately jump to that lecture, because that is important. You can keep one thing in mind: the probability of getting bar chart and pie chart is much more than probability of getting everything. If you're getting, let's say, three pictures, two are going to be either pie chart or bar chart, and one could be anything. It could be map, it could be table, it could be flow chart, it could be picture. But most of the people, students, are getting picture or map. Very few are getting graph, very few are getting table. Means very few. So far, I did not hear like someone getting a flow chart. Okay, I'm not saying everyone did not say like that. My students who appeared in the exam, they did not get flow chart so far. Okay, but on the internet, if you check, like, students have shared their views, their experience. Some have got a flow chart also. Okay, some have got even architecture plan is also a bit less. Students are getting maps. So that's all guys. Now practice some images and then jump to the next lecture where I'm discussing architecture plan. That will be our second last lecture, and in the last lecture we are going to discuss maps. So that's all guys, thank you very much.